Hi everyone, this is Diana Palm from dianapalm.com, and today we're going to be discussing, are Ouija boards haunted and how to use them safely? I'm a medium, author, and spiritual healer. I spent 14 years working with the paranormal groups around the world, and I spent my entire life learning how to communicate with spirits and obtaining proof about the afterlife. Make sure you watch till the end so you can find out how to clear a haunted Ouija board and how to remain safe. Ouija boards are made and distributed by Hasbro, and the purpose of them is to help you communicate with the spirit world. I have this amazing Ouija board that is from the hit series on Netflix called Stranger Things, in which the girl has the letters and numbers on the wall with light, and she asks her loved one from the upside down to light up the letters so that she can communicate between worlds. It is often used the same exact way when you use a Ouija board or other paranormal device when you're on a haunted investigation. Now, while I was doing paranormal work for all those years, we did find a correlation between houses that were haunted and the use of Ouija boards. The Ouija boards, right out of their box, are totally harmless. They're neutral. So if you've bought one and you open it up, there's nothing wrong with it. It's not good nor bad. It has everything to do with the person using it and the intent and purpose of the user. Warning: if an inexperienced person is using the Ouija board for drama or excitement, they're enticing negative spirits or just any spirit to come through, or they're drunk or high when they're using the board, this can create an attachment. It doesn't mean that you can't have fun. You can have fun, but communicating with spirits is something to be respected. If you're seeking to do spirit communication, it's really important to purchase your own device from the store or get it from a very trusted, reputable source. If somebody before you had it and misused it, it could come along with an attachment. And I'm going to give you some guidelines here so that you always stay safe and always have great communication with the other side. When you sit down to do a Ouija board session, you don't want to open it up to just see who's around and invite anybody to come through. That's like opening up your home to whoever connects to you on the internet, and we just don't do that. So have a clear intention of who it is you'd like to speak with. Here are some practical tips that you can use. You may bless the Ouija board by burning sage or sweetgrass around it. You may say a prayer over the Ouija board. You may even ask your spirit guides or angels to oversee your communications when you're using the board or device. I always burn a candle, and I also like to burn frankincense because it keeps the vibrations in the room very high. You can also use quartz crystals around the board, as well as holy water or blessed water in a little crystal bowl beside the board. Have a very clear intention of who it is that you would like to communicate with. You may even set out a photo of this person to help you get into the vibration of that person and help you connect with their memory and emotions, which actually does help you connect with the spirit world. An extra person should always be available so that they can take notes on all the communication that comes through. It's best that once you start a session, you maintain contact with the planchette until you are completely finished. When you are all done receiving the message or your session has come to a close, thank spirits for showing up. Always give gratitude to the spirit world for cooperating and coming through for you. And then imagine that you're actually closing the door to the spirit world. This can also be done by a prayer. Just asking God to clear the board, thank everyone for showing up, and looking forward to your next session. It doesn't have to be formal, just something to let the spirit world know that this is now complete and this session is done. This way, your Ouija board will be ready for you or whoever uses it the very next time it's taken out of the box. When you have a pure heart and you're absent of fear, you will only attract things that are truly in your highest and best. Many mediums have actually developed their gifts by using a Ouija board or similar form of communication. Now, if you have run across a board that was given to you or you found one that you suspect is haunted, here's what you can do about it. call a professional medium that knows how to clear negative energy. That's very important. You never want to throw a Ouija board in the fire, because while the Ouija board may burn, it actually releases the negative entity, and that could jump onto another person or another object in the vicinity. Holy water will not work, sage will not work. All of those can actually be used more as preventative methods to increase the vibration of your board. But when you have found one that's already been mistreated or disrespected and there's an attachment, you really won't do much. I also share the full technique in my book called Setting Spirits Free, and I'll include the link for my book down below. If you like this channel, please like and subscribe and share it with a friend, especially if you know somebody who's dabbling right now. It may be important for them. If you've used the Ouija board with my safe guidelines, I'd love to hear how your communications go and what kind of results you get. If you would like to hear more about the spirit world, go ahead and type spirit down in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone.